Parduc M25, dressing ROH sharpening to the grinding wheel. Use safety glasses, respirator, and hearing protectors when you use the product. Set the diamond dresser to desired radius setting. Check that the grinding wheel spins freely and the diamond head cannot touch the wheel. Loosen the 2 screws from the top cover, approximately a half turn each. Swing the profiling arc gently and slowly from up to down. Rotate the profiling arc adjusting will approximate 1/8 turn and repeat the profiling movement 2 to 3 times. Lift the diamond dresser to the top position. Stop the machine from the on-off switch and tighten the 2 thumb nuts on the machine cover.